Scrambling to print a critical contract, shipping label, or sales flyer while working from a hotel room, construction site, or client's office is an absolute nightmare that completely stalls your professional momentum. Desperately hunting down a local print shop or battling with a bulky, heavy desktop printer that requires a physical wall outlet leaves mobile professionals feeling completely stranded on the go. The Canon PIXMA TR160 wireless portable printer completely rescues you from logistical roadblocks and office binding, functioning as a high-velocity, lightweight document workstation engineered to deliver razor-sharp prints wherever business takes you. Don't let its impossibly sleek, compact blueprint fool you. This 4.5-pound mobile powerhouse packs an elite engineering layout. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its upgraded dual-band Wi-Fi matrix combined with an integrated 1.44-inch monochrome OLED display. Unlike standard mobile printers that lose connection in congested areas, the TR160 natively supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands alongside an isolated wireless direct mode. This means you can wirelessly link your laptop, iPhone, or Android device directly to the printer without needing a local building router. The bright OLED screen grants you real-time visibility over ink levels and network status, and it even allows you to save up to 5 custom templates directly on the machine to print forms instantly, without waking a computer. Engineered to operate at peak efficiency under demanding travel schedules, the PIXMA TR160 features a robust 50-sheet built-in paper tray that comfortably handles heavy workloads without constant reloading. It fires off documents at a nimble 9 images per minute, $9 \text IPM, $4 crisp, pigment black text, and $5.5 \text IPM, $4 rich, dye-based color graphics, even processing a borderless 4x6-inch photo in just 53 seconds. For the ultimate off-grid workspace transformation, you can bypass the traditional AC power cord entirely by pairing it with an optional LK72 rechargeable battery pack, which yields up to 330 printed pages on a single charge and juices up easily via any standard USB-C cable. It is the ultimate, stress-free tool for field technicians, traveling executives, and remote students who demand uncompromised document quality and total geographical freedom. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are deploying this portable PIXMA TR160 to close deals out in the field or to save desk space in your dorm room. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more mobile office showcases, wireless printer reviews, and premium tech breakdowns. And I will see you in the next video.